let you go. Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight.
Hey lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which means another color. This beautiful fall metallic plum was inspired by a beautiful picture that I seen on Pinterest. I had to have a go at it. I had to recreate this beauty. It is so beautiful, you guys. I cannot wait to share with you guys how I made it. Stay tuned. Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick. Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Let's mix it up. So today's lipstick color goes by the name of Giza, and with that being said, let's jump into the video. Alright, first things first, lipstick besties, I have to my bowl my world famous lipstick base. You can grab it at veelobeauty.com if you don't know by now. And then I'm going in with some Gold Enigma mica and Steelworks mica. I got the Steelworks mica from Mad Micas, and I got the Gold Enigma mica from nurturesoap.com. Everything will be linked in the description box below. And of course, the full recipe to this video will be on my Patreon. Shout out to my Patreon family, by the way, and I would love to have you guys as a part of my Patreon family as well. So as I'm mixing, you're seeing this beautiful metallic golden, almost like chrome mixed together vibe going on. Really pretty. And now I'm adding in some lakes. I'm adding in my FD&C red 27, which is the pink one you see, and the FD&C blue #1 alum lakes. Both of these lakes are batch certified, and I also get those from Nurture Soap as well. And I have a shop with me video that will show you guys how I shop for my different pigments when I'm making these beautiful colors. Now I'm going in with some more of my lipstick base, because as you can see, the color load of pigment powder that I added made things a little thick. So we're going to go in and kind of correct that texture, adding in some base. Now I'm going in with some more pink FD&C red 27 alum lake, and that's really going to bring forth that magenta to the purple-ish plum part that's going on. And then I'm going in with some more base because I want this color to give me like a satin shiny finish that will pair so well with that beautiful plum metallic. And just like that, you guys, we are done. I love the way this color came out. Here I am just trying on this gorgeous color. I mean, this color to me will complement any skin tone. It's so beautiful. It's so fall appropriate. It's so winter appropriate. The metallic is giving present, Christmas present. Oh my gosh, this would be such a hit at a Christmas party or just a regular day out. I love the way this color came out. So stunning. One of my favorites, hands down. The lipstick besties on Patreon are asking for a metallic series, so I'm definitely going to be doing that. You guys let me know what you think. If you would like today's color, it goes by the name of Giza, and it is available at veelobeauty.com in sample, retail, and wholesale sizes. Until next time, bye.